Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the two trades that I took today. Both were red trades. Yes, I said they were red trades, and I think it's important to share both red trades and green trades with you guys so that you guys understand kind of where I went wrong in some trades and how you can kind of learn from that and not make the same mistakes that I did. And then on top of that, we're going to be discussing the FOMC rate decision that's going to be happening today if you are watching this video today. So I'm going to flip my camera around real quick. I'll show you guys. We'll hop into my screen and see what I'm looking at. So today I traded SQQQ two times, right? So right off the open, we could see that we pushed above this moving average here. We got rejected, pulled back, pushed back up, got rejected again, consolidated, and finally broke out here. I initially took a position off of the open, and I had held it down here. Now I stayed very light in this position because I know that the market is waiting for the FOMC meeting today, which is going to be happening at 2 o'clock. And right now it is only 11:49. So I just figured that the market is going to be probably trending sideways, and surprise, surprise, that's what's happening right now. So I took a very light position. It ended up not going in my favor. Pulled back to here. I still held on to my position, and I ended up selling at a loss. It wasn't too big of a loss because I sold once it kind of pushed back up here. But I didn't sell. I definitely didn't sell at where I bought it at. So that's one thing I just wanted to point out for you guys. That's one red trade that I took today. And that's simply because market didn't have a clear direction. And I took that trade lightly on purpose so that I wasn't pretty much all in on a position that was probably not going to go in my favor. And I just kind of anticipated choppy markets today. So that was one trade. Another trade that I took today was on this move up. I got in kind of late around here on this move up. It continued pushing up a little bit further. I held for a little bit too long, and I ended up selling a little bit past here, a little bit below break even. So not a terrible loss on that either, but I just wasn't quick enough today with my trade. So that is one thing I'd like to point out for you guys. If you are anticipating choppy markets, or if it ends up being a choppy market, right, just take quick trades and lock in those profits early and walk away with some profit, right? So that's one thing I did not do today, unfortunately. But with that being said, we're going to hop right into the FOMC meeting, right? So it happens at 2 p.m. today, FOMC rate decision. So quick breakdown of that. The whole market is expecting the rate decision to be 0.25% increase, so 25 basis points of an increase for the interest rates. So we're going to see how that kind of plays out. Now, there was a report earlier. Let me refresh this real quick. There was a report earlier today, which was the ISM manufacturing index that ended up coming in, I guess, better than expected. And then another thing was the ADP employment change. So that ended up coming in, a little bit worse than expected. So kind of what I'm seeing is that the market is not exactly ready to fully recover yet. And I think that may definitely reflect how the FOMC rate decision is going to be made. Not exactly. So I definitely think there's going to be a 0.25 or 25 basis point increase on the rate. But on top of that, I think that the overall Fed is going to be more hawkish than dovish moving forward. So that is another thing. There's the rate decision announcement, and then there's Jerome Powell speaking after that rate decision. And depending on how he speaks about the market is going to basically set the tone for the next couple weeks or months, or basically for this year for the market. So if he talks as if he's going to take the approach of being more hawkish and continuously raising interest rates, then we will see the market drop. And if he is more dovish and kind of lighter on the interest rate increases, then we will see the market rally more than likely. So we will just have to wait and see what happens at 2 p.m. today.
If you guys have not already, hit that subscribe button down below, like this video for more videos like this one. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you learned something from my mistakes today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.